Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UVXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the move today. Did this analysis previously, and that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But, I mean, all these annotations now look almost kind of goofy. But believe it or not, just yesterday, these lines were definitely relevant. But after today's big move, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all these as they no longer, sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant as of right now. So we'll start afresh here and map out some of the newest areas of support and resistance. So the newest area of support, and the one that I would call the ideal of them, if they Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above that breakout point there at $12.50. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price drops below $12.50, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a very, very impressive sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword definitely being moving. I get it. The price is way up there. That line's way down there. But as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full control. I must visualize that. That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1250 would be great. But from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control of the chart. As far as areas of resistance, let me squeeze down the chart here because we're going to have to go back quite a bit of ways into the chart's history here because it has been a long time since the price has been up this high. But next key battleground to watch moving forward, going to be right up there at $14.60. And then if the price can push up through $14.60, next key level after that, right up there, give or take around $15.35. But all in all, any angle you look at it, monster movement, monster volume, not just a question moving forward of can the price continue to build upon this momentum. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.